Hello everybody and welcome back to more Expendabros. Let's continue on. What the fuck? Weird. It's like brah. Okay.
3, 2, 1. Go, go, go!
Load. Game.
3,
Okay.
2, 1, go!
Minigun! What? It must be Conrad. It must be Conrad. Is that a boss? No, it's not. It was not a boss. Bitch! Yeah! Minigun! Bitch! Minigun! Didn't even get to fire a shot. Minigun! It's so cool. Okay, so that. Oh god.
Rest in peace, bro.
Motherfucker, I died! God damn it!
3,
Okay, so pistols this time.
1, go!
Which are a little. Oh god, not this shit again. Not this shit again. He's like, go kick his ass! Bitch! The minigun destroyed it faster. Oh god. Are you kidding me? Again?
Mission failed.
God damn it! Oh.
3, 2, 1, go, go, go!
And this one's Bro, Christmas. Bitch! There we go. Ah! Suck it! Oh god. There we go. Bro, Caesar! Oh, bitch! Yeah. Open the door, yeah. Just open the door. It's not like you. It's not like you. Bitch! Did I miss a guy up there? I can't let any of them live. Come on, get him up. Bitch! You thought he could live? You don't get to live. You're evil. Yeah, baby. Girl. Oh god. I think I can fuck myself. Oh god. Well, shit. I have to be this fucker. Oh god. Well, shit. Bitch! Bitch! Explosions! Explosions! Oh my god! Oh my god! Huh? Huh? They're like, huh? What? And then they died. Huh? What? Bleh. Oh shit! So that's what that is for him. Well, that's effective. That's very effective. Die, cunts! Die! Oh, bro, Caesar! And then, got that set up. Oh, and he died. But still gonna blow up anyway! Blood everywhere! Shit. Die! 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 Yeah, baby! Explosions! Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! Alright. And let's wait till the next one loads.
3, 2,
Fuck this guy.
let's go.
What's his grenade? What's his bomb? Oh, that's cool actually. That's actually pretty cool. That's the most useful thing about him. He's got a really cool bomb. Well, I don't know what just happened there. Ammo. Huh? What? Boom, bitch! Oh, I guess I don't. Okay. Oh, okay. So I don't hit. Oh, he's like, oh god! Oh, it's on his nuts! It was on his nuts! Damn, that is brutal! You don't hit a man in his nuts? Oh, he just fell, he jumped out of the fucking, he jumped down the ledge, goddamn. He's like, oh, fuck this shit, my nuts!
Walk to death.
Brocked her death, really? Oh shit, that's cool. Oh, he's got like a double jump kind of thing going on. Okay, so it doesn't have, it only has melee. Bitches! This guy's cool, I like him. Bitch! Oh, I wanted to be that guy again. He was cool, I liked him. He was better than Broke Christmas. He's really cool. I could just go through the walls. I forgot I could break everything. Break everything! Bitch! Oh god. Yeah, fuck safety. I'm a bro! Hey, Broham. Die! Die! Puppies! Sorry, puppies are gonna die. I'm sorry. I love dogs, but I have to kill you. I'm sorry. Please let me block your death. Okay, that guy's good too. Well, shit, that didn't last long. That'll be like a boss kind of thing. But not really. Die! Damn it. Oh, he's got these pistols. This guy's pretty good too. Stallone's good. Die! Die! Yeah! Oh god. Bitch! Oh god, don't fall to the spinning blades of death. What happened to... No! I wanted to save... He got crushed to death! Shit! Just break the fucking floor. Open the door and die! Have a big can of die! Have a nice bowl of die! Oh shit. Oh my god! Jesus Christ! Oh shit! Just jump to the blood. Bruh! Die! Fuck this guy. Oh, what? It's the only good thing about him, though. I mean, he's not. Oh shit! Oh, that was brutal as fuck! Shit, I'm a bitch. Okay, Bro Caesar back. Die! Fuck you guys. And then they explode, not a day! Boom, baby! Death! 2 more rescues till next unlock. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. I wonder if that one boss I did last time, if I was supposed to lose that one. Maybe. I don't know. Die! Gotta save whoever this is. There we go! Proctor! Oh. Proctor death. No! Proctor death! Son of a bitch! Okay, so let that go up. Oh god! Well, that's a hazard. Doctor Death? God damn it, motherfucker. And then we're... Motherfucking shit cunt! Die! Okay. Huh. He's like, yeah, baby. Okay, so...
TheMKninja.
Who? Oh my god! Shotgun, or... I don't know what that is. Let's see what his name is. Okay, that's pretty good. I like this guy, he's good. He's like, very close hand. Oh god! How the fuck am I gonna get to this? That helps. I didn't know I could break those. But now I do. Oh god. Motherfucker, I like that guy. I keep killing guys that I like. Die! Okay, so one life down here. Die! Okay, so you're good for the taking out the big guys. Motherfucker! Okay, so this guy's good. This guy's good. Okay, I keep killing me. Killing myself. Oh shit, that's cool. I like that. I like that. Motherfucker, I can do this. Hut. Motherfucker, fuck it. Bitch! Poor puppy. Die! 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 Fuck!
Rest in peace, bro.
Fucking cunt, sucker, ass, tit, slut, whore, fuck! I might buy Broforce. This game is awesome. It's total testosterone amazingness, just like the movie.
Let's go.
Expendables. And I think Expendables 3 came out. I don't know. Sweet, baby. Oh, they're eating the body. Oh, fuck you. No. No, that's gross. That's gross. Don't do that. Die! Die! I know just what to do here. So brutal! And he's on. Okay, this guy's fine. Okay, Bros teaser, okay. That's good. Die! Brutal as shit. Die! Let's let those go free and kill everyone. Die! I love his face though. Die! Die! Yep. All I say is die, just because it's so awesome and epic and oh my god, die! Okay, this guy, he's pretty good too, I guess. Bro, Christmas. Christmas. The Christmas. Alright. And then just jump up here and then... Hooit! Damn it. Okay, well, let's just shoot that so that those blow up. There we go, I guess we got one. He's like, BOOM, bitch! Boom! Explosions! Die! 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 Blood and gore and guts everywhere! Die! Okay. Oh, he blew up the chief too! That's awesome! And then, boom! Okay, this guy's not that bad when you know how to use him. He's not like, I'll just die! Motherfucker. They're sticky grenades. Bitch! Nutsack! Got you in the nuts. Son of a bitch. I'll blow up. I'll blow up. There we go. Got it. That was not good close. Grenade launchers are pretty good, but not when they're like... I play like Killing Floor and stuff, where it's like a full auto grenade launcher and it's amazing as shit. Catch fire and die. Yeah, explosions! Area liberated! 3 more rescues till next unlock! Yeah! I'll do one more mission, then I'll stop, I guess. Oh my god, I'm itchy. Maybe too much awesomeness! Shh! Just drive over them. Bitch, I love this guy. Oh god, he's got like all different melee attacks. It's awesome as shit. Yeah, fuck using doors! I don't need doors. Let's kill all these guys. Slaughter! I love this guy. He's awesome to play as. He's so much fun! I don't even know why you need to crouch. Oh, this guy's good too. Oh god. Get away from that. Otherwise it'll kill me. Because apparently because these guys can only take 1 hit. Even though they're bros! Oh god, is it a boss? No, it's not a boss. This makes you think of what is it? Fuck, what is it? Metal, no, oh fuck, what are those games? I forgot what the games are. Oh my god. Holy shit!
Expendabros!
Oh shit, he got murdered. It was his time to shine too. Oh god, oh god. Get the ammo. No idea how to survive that. Fucking cunt! God, this guy's difficult. Okay, so this guy might be able to take him out. Yeah, die! Damn it! Oh god. Die, 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 die. Damn it. Fucking shit. I give him the messages. Alright. Let's end it here, guys. This will be much easier with other players. We don't have any other players to play with, so... Anyway, make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. Check them on the videos. Also, make sure to check out my supporters and other good stuff, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out, suckers!